Welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if you are eligible and claim Nodepay Airdrop Season 1 on your PC, on your laptop. For those of you that farm Nodepay Season 1, let's go and claim our prize. So let's go there. So you're going to go to your Nodepay now. So I'm going to share you my dashboard. So I'm going to share you my dashboard. So guys, this is it. Now if you look at this is my dashboard, and currently we are in season 2. You can see. So how do you check and see if you are qualified for season 1 airdrop? What you need to do is come here. This is your earning. So you click on your earning. Once you click on your earning, you're going to go down here and you're going to see this is it. This is season 0, this is season 1, and this is my currently. You can see currently on season 2. So what you need to do is come here and see if you are eligible. You're going to see a point here at the activities here or the total here. You can see for this season 1, you can see season 1. You're going to see here, you're going to see it here, but currently you can see there's nothing here for me. That means I'm not qualified and I cannot claim anything, which is because I did not farm or I did not do Nodepay season 1. I'm currently doing this season 2. So if you do season 1, just come here and you'll be able to claim it, and you're going to do it successfully. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.